and action. So we use this here peeler to peel the potato like so. Peel the potato. Just to get the first part off, right? Alright. Then we're gonna add the potato. We're gonna chop them and then add them to the pot. I'll let y'all see how it's looking so far after I'm done. But yeah, this is gonna take no time to chef up. Yeah, that bubbling style. Live from the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment. Just go for it. Let God lead you. Amen. Look at my pot. My pot is bubbling. You have to brush it like a piece of head or hair on head. Just brush off the brown part. Right. Alright. Looking good. And you just chop up, right? You just chop up while you knife, right? Don't be afraid. Bubble up. Chopping up some potato. See, potato. And then we just add it to the pot. Let me get y'all a preview. Hold on, technical difficulties. Yep, we just add it to the pot. Look at that bright red with the potatoes and the noodles. Then I'm gonna add some onions. Yeah, put all those potatoes in here. Stay tuned. I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these. Well, first I'm gonna peel the potatoes, then I'm gonna add them, and I'm gonna bring y'all on the journey. Cooking 101. Follow me, subscribe.